Hi guys, for this video, subukan nating mag-solve ng situational problems involving hyperbola. So here's the problem. A hyperbola is used to model the path of two spacecraft approaching each other. The spacecraft are initially 500 kilometers apart and the distance between the foci of the hyperbola is 300 kilometers. What is the length of the transverse axis of the hyperbola? To find the length of the transverse axis of the hyperbola, we need to use the relationship between the distance between the foci, the transverse axis, and the vertices of the hyperbola. Dito sa problem na to guys, babalikan natin yung standard form of equation of hyperbola. X squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Kung saan alam natin na yung a is the distance from the center papuntang isang vertex. Yung b naman, yung distance mula sa center papunta sa taas. No? Yung co-vertex. And yung c, yun yung distance from the center to the focus. Ibig sabihin, kung A ang distance from center to the vertex, 2A equals the distance of the two vertices. 2A is the distance of the two vertices kasi A from center papuntang isang vertex. So, center papuntang kabilang vertex, that is 2A. Yun yung hinahanap natin, yung 2A. Dito sa problem na to, panggulo lang given na yung spacecraft are initially 500 kilometers apart. Yung 500 kilometers apart, yun yung 2A. Okay, ibig sabihin, 2A equals 500, ang A natin is 250. Ibig sabihin, from center, 250 papunta dun sa isang spacecraft, and then 250 papunta din naman sa another spacecraft. So kung ang tanong is what is the length of the transverse axis, alam natin na ang transverse axis ay yung axis sa loob na ang endpoints yung dalawang vertices niya. So kung yun yung transverse axis natin, ibig sabihin transverse axis equals 2A and 2A equals 500 kilometers. Therefore, the length of the transverse axis of this hyperbola is equal to 500 kilometers.